guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Grove Collaborative haul. If you're not sure what Grove Collaborative is, it is basically a website where you can, it's almost like a subscription, but you can kind of opt out and choose what products you want and choose what month they come if you want to skip a month, however you want to do it. I'll leave a link down below. If you sign up using my link, you will get a couple of free products with your purchase. And I think it's like a $20 minimum purchase, but I think it's like free shipping and you get several free products. So click the link down below and just kind of try them out for yourself. So what Grove is it's basically cleaning products, household products that are clean, organic, recycled material, things like that, just kind of clean and safe for you to use and for your children to use or be around and things like that. So we're not like organic and clean, environmentally safe people on an everyday basis, but if I can get good quality, cheap cleaning products that are safe for my kids to kind of help me clean, then I will definitely do that. And plus they smell amazing, they're a great price, and it's just fun to kind of get that little box in the mail every month or every couple of months or however long you want to, space them out between. But this one that I have right now is a pretty large one, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. Make sure you hit the notification bell, that way you're notified when I upload, and definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have ordered from Grove before, leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite product from Grove is. That way if I haven't tried it, then I can definitely try to check it out. So the first two products that I have, this is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Hand Soap. It says it's made with olive oil and aloe vera. This is in the peony scent. So it's just a regular little bottle with a pump on the top of it. And this is another thing about Grove, is they tape a lot of their products so that they don't leak in the box, which I love. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Hand Lotion made with shea butter and almond oil. This is in the lemon scent, and it's again just a regular bottle with a pump on the top of it. I ordered two all-purpose cleaner or multi-surface everyday cleaner, removes dirt and freshens surfaces. This is in the peony scent, and then I also ordered one in the orange clove scent. Both of these are Mrs. Meyer's, and I'm pretty sure that like the peony scent says it's a limited edition, and this is a limited, the orange clove is a limited edition seasonal scent as well. But these are both just in squirt bottles, and these are 16 fluid ounces. I went ahead and picked up two of the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soaps. They are both in the lemon scent, and they are just in squirt bottles. Let me take this off and you can kind of see. So you can see it's just kind of like a peel up, pop up type of lid, and then you just squirt it right into your sink. The next product is the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. I'm pretty sure this is something that you spray in every day. Like after you take a shower, just squirt your shower down with this daily shower cleaner, and it kind of cleans itself so that you don't have to deep clean your shower as often. It kind of just helps it stay clean. Let me look here at the, it says it dissolves and prevents soap scum without giving you residue. So that is just the daily shower cleaner. The next thing I got was this Bubble Up soap dispenser and dish brush set. It comes in a little box like this. So it's just this little ceramic dish here, and it's got a little spring compartment in the bottom of it. So that little spring part does come out. It just looks like this. And so you put your dish soap and your water in the bottom of this, place it back on, and then what you do is you take, this is the little brush that it comes with. It's just got a wooden handle, and then it's just a scrubber brush at the bottom. And so you just take it and you dab it, and then you can clean your dishes or your sink or whatever you want, and then it looks really cute and pretty just sitting in your little dish tray. So that is the Bubble Up soap dispenser and brush set. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Now something that came free with my order because I spent X amount was this Stoneware Tray, and I think this is the limited edition floral one as well. So it's just a tray that you set your dishes on, and it just has the floral pattern in the middle of it, and it's just flat. And then you just set like your dish soap on there, and you just set it on your sink. Dish soap, maybe your little bubble up dispenser, and then maybe your hand lotion or something like that. So it looks really cute and it's really decorative, but you really don't see, I think this might be like pomegranate. I don't really know. It doesn't say what this is on there, but it does say that it's dishwasher safe. So this is just something that you put beside your sink and just put all of your dish soaps and things on. The other free items that I got, the first one was this walnut scrubber sponge. It is a 2-pack, but it's just 2 little scrubber sponges. It comes in a 2-pack. One side is white and the other side is brown. The next item was this garden tea towel. Again, this garden tea towel just came free with my purchase. And then the last thing that came free with my purchase is this Garden Rose apron. It says it's a 100% linen apron. I haven't taken it out of the package yet, but it's just a blush pink apron. And then I also went ahead and picked up these Midnight Navy kitchen towels. I think this is a set of 2. I think it's a set of 2, but I haven't taken them out of the package yet. But they just, it's just a white towel with a navy stripe going down them. The next item I picked up were these microfiber all-purpose cloths. This is the Variety 3-pack. These are the best cloths to clean with. So I pretty much use these microfiber towels to clean everything. My table, my counters, dust my living room, everything. So I wipe down my TVs with them. I use them to clean everything. Then you just toss them in your washer and dryer, clean them, wash them, and then you're done. And you can just reuse them over and over again. Now you will eventually want to replace them and get new ones, but they do last a pretty good while. And you can probably do like 2 or 3 cleanings with them before you actually have to toss them in and wash them. The next thing I picked up was this Microfiber Duster. I got this because I'm constantly having to move around everything on my TV stand and in my living room. So I thought this would just be something to kind of quick dust with, maybe spray a little multi-purpose cleaner on it and just kind of go underneath my TV and on my TV and just kind of lightly dust on the days that I'm not seriously deep cleaning my house. So I went ahead and picked this up, and this also can kind of come in handy for the hard to reach places like your ceiling fans, your lights that hang from the ceiling, just things like that. So the next thing I got was this all-purpose scrub brush. I really got this because I wanted to try to use it to clean my showers or my tubs. I thought it would just come in handy to scrub the bottoms of my showers and my bathtubs, just because leaning over with a rag can take forever and you have to put a lot of pressure, and sometimes it's not enough pressure and so you just get tired. So I thought it's a pretty rough bristle, so I thought just spraying a bunch of like Clorox or some of my multi-surface spray, or they even have a foaming shower spray that I'm actually out of. I probably should have reordered it, and then just go in and scrub with this brush. It'll probably make cleaning my showers a little bit faster. So I'm excited to use this. This is the brand Full Circle. So the last thing that I picked up is this Grove Collaborative cleaning caddy. It does come with a handle, and so basically you just put all of your cleaning products inside, so that way you can carry them around from room to room and not have to walk back and forth. So I probably will go ahead and order another one of these. I thought it was a little bit bigger than what it is, so I'll probably have one for all of my bathroom things, and then I'll probably put one with some multi-surface cleaners and things like that. That way I don't have to keep walking back and forth, and I can just take whichever bucket I need to that specific room. But this is, I think this is again a limited edition like pomegranate type of design on here. They do have a solid red one and I think a solid white one. I'm not sure. I know for sure they have a solid red one because I almost got that one, but I decided to go ahead and go with this white decorative one. So that is it for my Grove Collaborative haul. That is everything that I got this order. I do need to place another order because I thought of some things that I forgot to get, but I will leave a link down below in case you guys want to check out Grove Collaborative. You just click the link, fill out your information, and then you do automatically get free items added to your cart, and I do think you get free shipping as well. So you just have to spend, I think, $20, or maybe it's only $10. I'm not sure how much you have to spend, but you just add things to your cart, it'll add all of the free items, and then you get to choose the scent of all your free items as well. So definitely go ahead and check them out. Again, thank you for watching my video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video.